So today I'm going to show you Blaire's pig and mini doll, which is Luciana Wagner, Girl of the Year 2018. And I'm super excited to open them up. So let's begin. Start with her pig. And here's what the box looks like. It just says American Girl. And then it has the little pig with flower and says Girl of the Year 2018 and Blaire Wilson. So let's open her up. And here's the top, what it looks like from up here. And it's just the pig. So let's open her up. And it looks like she has a beautiful little nose and black spots with little pink ears. And then here's the back of her. She has a really curly tail. And she has the American Girl tag. And that's what she looks like. Take a look at Luciana. And here's what the outside looks like. There's the side. And you can see her. This is American Girl and Girl of the Year 2018 and Luciana Wagner. And then her book. So here's what the inside looks like. And I took out the old plastic thing. And here's her book. It looks like the real book. And here's the back. And there's her book. And then you can open it. And then here's Luciana. She has crazy hair. And she has black hair, just like the doll. And then she has her purple streak. And she has her galaxy dress on with her boots, which are untied. And that's Luciana. And her arms move and everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe. Bye!